Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from DOWN4SOUND.com. In this video, we're going to be talking to you about a newly released product that we just came out with. We got actually a few of those in the container that we just received our wire restock. We've been out of OFC black and red and some other cables for a while, but now we have them back in stock and we got some new items. Here's two of the new items. I noticed that these were very popular. We've had people ask us if we could do something like this because they're offered by a bunch of different brands, but the more time goes on, the more people want a full Down4Sound branded system. And I'm greatly appreciative of that because without your support, I couldn't be doing the things that I get to do and have all these people on payroll. So I appreciate your support more than you'll ever know. So as on this side, you can see, you're able to do, so this is a single one. It comes with a 150 amp fuse right here. And the double one over here, same thing, just double, comes with two 150 amp fuses. You could use bigger fuses in here if you wanted to, but this is what it comes with because it's a good size, I guess, to start off with. So on this side, you're gonna see that you have your 0 gauge. This one is 4 gauge or 0 gauge in and out. You see right here. And then to take the cover off, you have these little Phillips head screws right here. You just take those off if you need to change the fuse, or also when you're doing the install, you can get your wire put in there. There's little inserts in here that makes it where it'll accept 4 gauge or 0 gauge. Same thing on this, ow, I think he's pokey. So on this side, it's a 0 gauge in, 0 or 4 gauge, and then you split into 2 4 gauges or smaller than that 8 gauge if you want. So it's also not just a fuse block, but also a distribution block. And we also have a ton of different, well, not a ton, 3 or 4 different distribution blocks as well. I don't know if he sees one over there. All right, I walked around the world and came back from the other side. So anyway, here's some of the different options that we have. The D4S-1034, so it's going to be a 4 gauge or 0 gauge in. Then you have 3 on the out. This one is a single in, 2 on the out. And this is another 1030. This is 0 gauge in and then 4 gauge out. So a few different distribution block options there. These do not have fuses or voltage readouts, and these do. So these things are cheap. I would say sub 30 bucks for these items. But again, people are wanting a full matching Down4Sound system. Now you're able to get it with a few more options here for distribution, fusing, stuff like that. Appreciate your support. If you need anything, hit us up, down4soundshop.com, your number one source for all of your car audio needs. If you want to give us a call, you can do so, 702-701-9800. Later. Guys, if y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life or Price, and also Down4Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JP D4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.